welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha, and of course, you know my channel is Glamorous Mimi, where the fun happen, the makeup, the beauty, the reviews, and everything goes on my channel. So if you're not subscribed to my channel right now, I suggest you hit that red button at the bottom, and don't forget to turn that notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads, so you wouldn't want to miss it. Yeah, so I did a video of this sunset. I got a sunset vibe, like a sunset springy look, so it's more of a springy or spring look, spring vibe, whatever you want to call it. It's whatever. So I did a look on that. It's not like I like it. No, I love it. So it just made my eyes pop, and my lip is popping right now. You feel me? So yeah. So subscribe to my channel and follow all my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. And don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel, Glamorous Mimi TV. So stay tuned for that. So I'm just trying to get that right. So yeah, so y'all just want to roll into the video. So let's get into it, to the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to a springy or springy eyeshadow look, like spring colors. I know orange is something like that. I'm just working out my Morphe 3502 palette today, and I know the colors is complicated because I hate the fact that this the names on this flimsy sheet. But as you can see, I already got my left eye done, so I'm gonna just go on and do my right. But I will be working out my 3502 Second Nature palette from Morphe, and so let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyes, and I'm using my It Bye Bye Under Eye, so I don't use it on my under eye, so I just prime my eyes with it. So the first shade I'm gonna use is Contour right here. This brownish, to put it on my crease area. So I'm gonna put that on my crease area. But I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you won't make them just be alone. The next shade is I'm gonna take Heat. It's right here, and put it on top of that contour to bring it out more. I'm gonna take Pure and put it on my brow bone. Like it's a vibe under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love. I'm gonna take bronze and put on my brow bone to darken up my brow bone color, so it won't be so white. When you left me chasing you, trying to find a place. Now I'm gonna take Sauce right here. It looked like on camera, but it's like not. And I'm putting on my eyelid. Under your spotlight. fire right here and put it on top of sauce.
Like it's a vibe under your spotlight.
I'm gonna go back and take Pure and put it in my inner tea duct. I'm about to use my FL eyeliner to put my eyeliner on. Then today I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Matte foundation in the shade golden bronze. I had a hard time finding my shade. This is the shade I'm supposed to show y'all my Drugstore and / Morphe haul, but it came. So the shade is a little dark, but let's see how I do. Yeah.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So this is the finished look. Thank you for watching and tuning in. And tell me if you in the comment section if you like this look, and I'm loving it. I'm loving the lips too. I thought it was like a little scary, but it suits my skin and complexion and everything that's going on. I'm not too familiar about the ring light and thing like that, but it's giving me more light and dim and stuff like that. But I like it, but I don't know how it's gonna turn out when I look back at it. Hopefully it's not too bad, too bad. So yeah, so thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and help me get to 225 subscribers. Of course my numbers went up, and yeah, so this is it. So I see y'all in the next video. Bye.